Everyone, once again welcome to Math Magic channel. Today we will discuss about a very, you can say, important or good sample paper for your coming maths exam. You will see, you will get many sample paper from the internet, but in this video we will discuss about one sample paper which will be very similar to your CBSE sample paper. There are many sample papers. If you practice, then you may get the common topics or the common concept, or may not get, but I'm trying to deliver you uh, one concept through this video, that how to give the answer, how much you have to write down in the exam, and from where you have to start. Okay, and this is the first sample paper. I will try to uh, provide you two more sample paper with a proper explanation, and one PDF I will attach in the description, so you can download the PDF and there will be 7-8 papers, you can practice it. Okay, so from very first, I'm wishing you all the best for the maths exam. So let's start without wasting time, because your exam is knocking in the door. So exam is knocking, so no more talking. Okay, let's start. Be careful. If whiteboard or smartboard needed to show, then I will share it. Otherwise, in the PDF annotation, using PDF annotation, I will explain each and every solution. Okay, so let's see this. Fine. Okay, you can see this, this is sample paper 7. So first question, we are coming to this first question. First question is, I told that there are 5-6 sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. So what you will do, you will start from section B, C, D, then those question you can do this. Then you will start MCQ, and then you will go to the case study based question. So this is the best strategy. From this is my personal view. From my side, I am giving you the strategy, but you can also do section A first, then B, C, D. That is your choice. Okay, so coming to this, but here I will show the MCQ first. Serially I will explain, but in the exam room you can start with B, C, and D, because if you do B, C, D, then your long question will be done. So as a means, by default your whole book will be revised, and MCQ will take less time. But if you start the MCQ with fresh mode, then what will happen, it may take more than 1 hour. So, but if you do after doing B, C, D section, then you will get, you can do it in less time. Maybe it will take 40 minutes or 45 minutes, because you have done many problem. Okay, so choice is yours. Fine, but I am starting with section A. Let's see. Coming to this first question. First question is, the sum of zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to this is 6. Then the value of k is what? Okay, I'm just switching off the video because I have to put the annotation on the screen. Okay, so you can see this, the sum of the zeros of the polynomial is 6, then the value of k, right? So this question number 1, you can see this, it is a cubic polynomial. So what is the formula? Alpha, if cubic means it depend on the degree. If 3 degree, so 3, obviously 3 roots will be there. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, what is the formula, is equal to minus b upon a. And if you take the product of two roots, product in pair, then you will get alpha beta, beta gamma, and gamma alpha is equal to C by A. And if you put the product, if you take the product alpha beta gamma, so alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, if you take this one, then it will be C by A. And if you take alpha product of three zeros, then it is minus D by A. Sign will be alternative. First will be minus, then will be plus, and then will be minus. Okay, for original polynomial was a x cube plus b x square plus cx plus d plus d is equal to 0. This was the original or actual polynomial. Okay, so the thing is that here sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, you can see this is minus b upon a, right? So it is given, so you tell me sum of all the roots is given 6, it is 6. Okay, and minus b upon a, minus b is what? B, you can see this minus 3k, b minus 3k, and a is 2. So you can see this is imply 6 is equal to minus plus 3k by 2, or you can see 12 is equal to 3k, right? Or k is equal to 4. Got it? So that is the case. In this way you can do this. Just a second. So question was, your question was this. Question was this. Okay, and we have done. Question was 2x cube minus 3kx square. This, so sum of three zeros alpha plus beta we have done is equal to minus b upon a. Put b is equal to minus 3k. You can see this coefficient of x square. So b coefficient of x square is minus 3k. So put down minus 3k, and for formula minus, so minus will be plus 3k by 2. So 6 is equal to plus 3k by 2, and after solving this you will get k is equal to 4. Got it? So this is the solution of 1. Fine. If you want to write down, you can pause, you can write down, otherwise you can take a screenshot of this. Next question. If you have any problem, then you can text me. Number 2. Number 2 is, for what value of k do the equation 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0, and this 6x minus ky minus 16 represent coincident line. So three formulas are there. Number 1, you can see the book, that if two equations are there, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, this is one equation, and a2x plus b1y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so two equation will coincide each other. What is the formula for that? If coefficient a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, then two line will what? Intersect. Means to get intersecting line, condition is a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, if we want two line will be parallel, then what is the formula? Formula is, tell me, a1 upon a2, yes, equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. If this condition fulfill, then you can say two lines are parallel. Okay, this is for parallel. Now coming that two lines will coincide. Coincide means that this is one line and this is another line. Okay, so two line will be on a same line, lie on a same line. So then we will say coincide. Okay, so to get means two lines which will coincide each other. So what will be the condition? The condition is coincident line. These are called coincidental line, DNT. So condition is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Means all coefficient will be equal. All coefficient will be equal. So you make it equal and you can find out the value of k. So see this question number 2. A1 is what? A1 is 3 and this is A2 is what? 6, right? A1 is 3, A2 is 6. Number 2 we are discussing. Okay, A2 is 6 and B1 is -1 and B2 is minus k. Okay, this will be equal. And if you talk about C, then you can see C is 0 upon plus 16, because 16 will come left hand side and minus 16 will be plus 16. So you can see this coincident. Okay, so you can see this minus will be cancelled out. So k will be 6/3 is equal to 2. Okay, k will be 2 and this side k is becoming 0 if you do the cross multiplication this side. In the not equal to case also you have to consider the both the side, this side and this side you have to consider, but here k will be vanished if you do the right hand portion. Okay, so the left portion is sufficient, so k will be 6/3, answer will be 2. Got it? So what will be the answer? Answer will be in this case answer will be 2. Okay, fine. Now coming to this question number 3. Very slowly I am explaining and the related part I am also explaining. So if you want to see randomly, then you know this, you can increase the speed also. Next question number 3. The condition for one root of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 to be twice the other. See why do I am telling you that you do the MCQ at last. You see this one question weightage is 1 mark, but you have to put you have to do the all rough work and all. Okay, so if you do the long question at first, then your speed will increase when you will do the MCQ after some time. Okay, you can do randomly, rapidly. So that is why I am telling you do the MCQ after doing BCD. Okay, so coming to this question number 3, the condition for one root quadratic equation this be twice the other. It good question. This type of question every time come to this board exam. So let's start. So one root is twice the other. So suppose question number 3 is going on. Suppose one root is alpha, so another root will be double of it, 2 alpha. Got it? Now two cases arise. Sum of the roots will be minus b upon a, and product of the roots alpha into 2 alpha is equal to c upon a. Try to understand. So this is 3 alpha is equal to minus b upon a, and this is 2 alpha square is equal to c upon a. Understand? So these are our two equations. So using this equation we will find out the relation. So one thing you do, you can take the square on both sides. In the equation 1, 3 alpha is equal to minus b upon a. Okay, so you take square on both sides. 3 alpha whole to the power 2 minus b upon a whole to the power 2. Now it will be 9 alpha square is equal to b square upon a square. Got it? Now you put down the value of alpha square. So here you see alpha square is equal to c upon 2a, right? So in this place you put alpha square is equal to c upon 2a is equal to b square upon a square. So a will be cancelled. Got it? So we are getting 2b square is equal to, we are getting 2, if you multiply 2 into b square, 2b square is equal to 9ac. Okay, so this is the option. Correct? This is the option. 2b square is equal to 9ac. 2b square is equal to 9ac. That means option number B, 2b square is equal to 9ac. So once again you can check it how we have done this. So alpha, one root is alpha, double of the other, twice the other, so alpha and 2 alpha. Sum we have taken. Okay, product we have taken using the formula. Then we have taken the square on both sides of equation 1. Then we have put down the value of alpha square from equation 2, and finally we have got it. Okay, fine. If you have any problem, then you can text me in the comment box, or you can also send SMS to me. Okay, so this is number 3. Now coming to this number 4. Okay, what is question number 4? Question number 4 is the quadratic equation this has distinct real. So in these cases, in this type of cases, you know this, you have to find out discriminant, the value of discriminant d. Okay, so d value, you know this, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Fine, 4ac. If d is greater than 0, greater equal to 0 or greater than 0, that means real root. Okay, if d equal to 0, then equal root, and if d not equal to 0, then we will get unequal root. equal root. Okay, so this is the cases. So you find out b square minus 4ac. So b is what? Here b is 4, so 4 square, 4 ac, a is 1, and c is what? c is minus 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 16 minus minus plus 12 root 2. So you can see it is obviously greater than 0. C is greater than 0, the root will be two distinct and real root. Root will be distinct and real root. Option A. Two root will be distinct and real. So in this way, comparing, finding the D, you can do this. D greater than 0 real, D equal to 0 real and equal, and D not equal to 0 unequal. One more thing, if D is less than 0, you know this value of discriminant coming negative, then you will get imaginary root. That you will get in class 11. Chapter name is complex number. Okay, that chapter cases will come using this concept, D less than 0. Fine. Okay, just a second.